This so cool. That's very cool. Hope this store never closes down because Macy's look just like this and it closed down. Here's the other MP. It's not here. You know S. Those others are really busy. We'll go down to the first floor on this staircase. Look at this old, super old. And there's this door down to the basement. This is the only 5-star JCPenney in the US, I think. And then the one at Northridge Mall has 5-star. It's right here. That's right. And the basement staircase is in the center of the store. Yeah, clearly look, this store does look like Baldwin Hills Crenshaw. ¿Nos vamos? Yeah. Let's go take a look at the staircase. This old, beautiful staircase. But the men's. Yeah. Look at that, men's stuff. 5 levels, 5. This old. Nunca vi eso, no tiene que tiene esto. Aquí está la lado. There's the other man-powered elevator. Take it and show it. Anyways, this is a men's store, and that's it.